For the moment you've all been waiting for, or I've all been waiting for. Drum roll! Yun, no? Alam ko mali yung grammar na yun, joke lang kasi yun. And the content I'm gonna shoot is a typical Konyo skit. And in my Konyo skits, I have different characters. So what I like to do is, I shoot one character first, lahat ng lines niya. And then in costume number 2, I switch characters, and then I put it together on my laptop where I edit. And now let's start with the content creation. So I have my laptop here para the script I wrote is in view kasi hindi ko naman memorize script ko parate at I don't improvise my scripts. But if you do that, you do you. My content is usually 40 seconds kasi personally, yun yung mga pinapanood ko na content. Mga 30 to 40 seconds din. So that's what I like to make my content like also. I want to have more fun with it and wear different outfits and even change my voice. So minsan medyo nasal yung boses ko at minsan medyo mas mababa, mas pa-cool. Just so I can really make different characters all appear like they're different people in one skit. All I need is my red hoodie and my black hoodie. Ano G, let's shoot this TikTok na bros. Legit. So after I record on my phone, I just airdrop it to my laptop para I can edit from my laptop. Now it looks like two different people talking to each other kasi may batuhan na. After that, you can add some sound effects too if you want to. If you're the type to add like laughing tracks, pwede rin. And then after that, just export on your laptop and then send it to your phone and post. And boom,